Ever wonder how a massive structure like a ship, weighing thousands of tons, floats on water without sinking? Welcome to the world of maritime engineering, where we challenge the laws of physics to create titans of the sea. Ships are incredible feats of design and engineering, with some reaching lengths greater than the height of the Empire State Building. Whether it's the compact tugboat or the colossal container ship, each vessel is a testament to human ingenuity. But how do these behemoths stay afloat, you may ask? It's not magic, but a marvel of engineering. Despite their weight, ships are designed to displace an amount of water equal to their own mass, creating the buoyant force needed to keep them from sinking. From the smallest sailboat to the largest cruise liner, this principle keeps them afloat. It's a fascinating question that has a surprisingly simple explanation. So let's dive deeper into this captivating world of maritime engineering. It all boils down to one word: buoyancy. But what exactly is buoyancy? Simply put, it's the force that allows objects to float in a fluid, like a ship on water. But to truly understand buoyancy, we need to dive a little deeper. Imagine you've got a solid gold brick. Heavy, isn't it? Now if you were to drop that brick in water, it would sink like a stone. But if you could somehow spread that same gold over a larger area, like the hull of a ship, the story changes dramatically. This is where the concept of displacement comes into play. By spreading the weight over a larger area, you're displacing more water. The displaced water creates an upward force, the buoyant force, that opposes the weight of the object. The more water you displace, the greater the buoyant force. So think of a ship as a very large, very heavy gold brick that's been spread out. The hull of the ship displaces a large volume of water, creating a buoyant force that's equivalent to the heaviness of the water dislodged. Assuming this light power is more prominent than or equal to the weight of the ship, voila, the ship floats. But it's not just about making the ship wide, it's about distributing the weight evenly. One side can't be heavier than the other, and the front can't be lighter than the back. Every part of the ship needs to displace enough water to support its own weight. This is why you often see ballast tanks on ships filled with water to balance the weight and keep the ship stable. And there you have it. The secret to a ship's ability to float isn't some maritime mystery, it's pure, simple science. The principles of buoyancy and displacement and the careful balance of weight and design all come together to keep these massive structures afloat. So, in essence, a ship floats because it's pushing water out of the way, creating a force that balances its weight. Now that we know why ships float, let's turn our attention to their speed. The speed of a ship is influenced by a myriad of factors. One of the most significant is the ship's design. The shape of the hull, the weight of the ship, and its size all play a part in determining how fast a ship can go. A slender, streamlined hull will cut through the water more efficiently than a bulky one, making it faster. Next up is the power of the ship's engines. The more horsepower an engine has, the faster it can propel the ship. But it's not just about raw power. The engine's efficiency, the propeller's design, and the ship's overall weight-to-power ratio also come into play. And let's not forget about the water conditions. A ship might be able to reach top speed in calm waters, but throw in some waves, wind, or currents, and that speed can decrease significantly. It's fascinating to think about some of the fastest ships in the world. From high-speed ferries that zip across bodies of water at impressive speeds to advanced naval vessels designed for rapid response, the range of speed capabilities in the maritime world is truly awe-inspiring. While ships may not be the fastest means of transport, their speed capabilities are still impressive. Ships are truly marvels of engineering, aren't they? Let's delve into the treasure trove of knowledge we've accumulated thus far, shall we? We've learned that ships are not just enormous structures of steel, but are intricate pieces of engineering brilliance. A ship is a city in itself, equipped with everything to ensure the comfort of its inhabitants. From the engine room that powers the vessel to the navigation bridge that guides its course, every corner of a ship is a testament to human ingenuity. It's fascinating how a ship, despite its colossal weight, can float effortlessly on water. It all boils down to the principle of buoyancy. The weight of the water displaced by the ship is equal to the weight of the ship itself, allowing it to float. It's like an intricate dance of physics and engineering, isn't it? And let's not forget the speed. Despite their size, some ships can reach impressive speeds, all thanks to the power of their engines and the streamlined design that cuts through the water. The fastest ship in the world, the Francisco, can reach a top speed of 58 knots. That's nearly 67 miles per hour. It's faster than you'd drive on most highways. Now let's toss some fascinating facts your way. Did you know that the largest ship ever built was the Seawise Giant, an oil tanker that was over 1,500 feet long? That's longer than the Empire State Building is tall. And here's another mind-boggling fact. About 90% of the world's goods are transported by sea. It's a testament to the importance of maritime transport in our global economy. The world of ships is full of interesting tidbits. From the ghostly tales of the Bermuda Triangle to the unsinkable claim of the Titanic, ships have always been at the heart of countless legends and stories. Their grandeur, their enormous size, and their ability to traverse vast oceans have always fascinated us, and will continue to do so. Next time you see a ship, remember the incredible science and engineering that goes into making it float and move. It's quite a spectacle, isn't it?